Amrit and you are watching my YouTube channel The Smart Trade. In this video we will talk about how Nifty and Bank Nifty has performed today and what are the key levels for tomorrow. Okay, as you can see in front of your screen that I have already plotted Bank Nifty daily chart, and I have also plotted Nifty and Bank Nifty key levels that you can see while I do the session. So let's get back to this. This is Bank Nifty daily chart. Now look at the levels that I had discussed yesterday. If you remember, I had given key levels yesterday. So what exactly did? Let me plot the indicators. So let's see how did Bank Nifty played out today. When yesterday market was closing, no one would have expected that opening will be a huge gap down, but where did it open? If you see, let me maximize this. You can see over here that this is a opening candle on hourly chart, and it managed to close just at this is the weekly pivot. It opened it, slipped below, and then jumped up, and for the next 4 hours market kept shooting up. It was also Kijisen on an hourly basis. So what was the level that I had just mentioned that I wasn't expecting this, but still this was the pivot level that if it had opened today, you could have gone long. I took a long trade on this one and booked a profit. The texture for the next coming sessions are bullish. I'm still with the view that Nifty, Bank Nifty is going to touch about 39,200 and 400 by the end of March. So as you can see over here in this Excel sheet, I have already plotted the key levels for tomorrow. Over here in this Bank Nifty, you can see 35,879 is the pivot for tomorrow. 35,917 is the top pivot for tomorrow, and 35,840 is the below pivot. So I'm expecting a good run on a upside tomorrow. Maybe it can hit up to 36,240. So if Bank Nifty manages to close above 35,917 on a 15-minute chart, one can take a long position there with the stop loss just below 35,840 and go long and look for a target of 36,240 to 36,676. This level, let's see how it does tomorrow. It also depends on the Dow, how it performs today. So these are the levels that you need to write down. 35,442 is the support, first support, and I don't see that going down there. So if you had seen my video yesterday, you could have taken a long trade and made a good profit today. Okay, so this is Bank Nifty. Please, you can note it down over here. The key levels, these are the daily ones, these are the weekly ones over here. I've already plotted. So these are the levels that you need to look for tomorrow. So let's jump to Nifty. This is Nifty daily chart. And one more thing I would like to mention on the Bank Nifty is that we are in a channel. Let me draw that. You see this from here, I have drawn a channel to this, and it went up, came down, and it's more likely maybe tomorrow. I'm expecting this to happen tomorrow, to touch the upper level, and if it breaks above that, then we'll move to 38,135 for the next week expiry, which is on 11th of March. So let's see if this Bank Nifty touches this upper channel or not. I'm expecting this to happen tomorrow. Okay, so let's jump to Nifty. These are the key levels over here for daily. This is Nifty daily. Let me plot the indicators. Convert this into 1 hour chart. What happened here? Let me zoom this out. Over here also you can see that it gapped down to R1 of weekly. Okay, and for the next 4 hours kept going up. Okay, so what happened? I wasn't expecting, no one knew that the market is going to open a gap down. So it opened at this level and just shoot up. Okay, so what are the key levels for tomorrow? 15,087 is the pivot, and we have closed at 15,080. Just managed to close 7 points below the pivot of tomorrow. So we can say that we are at pivot of tomorrow, and if it manages to go above, okay, one more thing has happened on Nifty, that the CPR, the below pivot range and the top pivot range has shrinked. So you can expect a good run on an upside tomorrow if it breaks this level 15,091. So you can see 15,309. But that would be the second target. First target would be 15,194. The first support is at 14,972. Second support is at 14,865. That I'm not expecting there to go, but if it goes, then it's still a good buy. Okay, so we will be looking for this level 15,091 to cross, or maybe 15,000 to say roughly, approximately 15,100 if it goes and closes on a 15-minute chart. Let me convert this chart into 15-minute as well. Okay, so you see over here the Kijun is also at 15,125. So let's say 15,130 would be the level if it goes and closes above on a 15-minute chart. You can take a long position with a stop loss of 15,080, or you can do that 70 as well, and look for a target of 15,309 and 15,416. I wouldn't be surprised if it comes. Okay, so you can note down the levels. These are the key levels that you need to look for tomorrow trade. So let's see where are we in this channel. Are we in the channel? Not yet, not in the Nifty. Okay, let me see if we are in channel or not. From here, let me do the magnet. Yes, we are in the channel. Will most likely will be closing above this, and tomorrow if Bank Nifty manages to go above 15,250, then you can most likely see 15,416. That would be level that you need to look for tomorrow. But this is the key level 15,130, where the Kijun is also on 15-minute chart. Sorry, this is the level, so you need to look for tomorrow. So let's see how it plays out. So this is it for in this video, guys. Do like, share and subscribe, and let me know if anything I can add more to this. Thank you very much.